Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to link bank account on eBay. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we need to do is to log in to our account, and you can just provide your email or username. And if it's your first time here on eBay, you might want to click your account. You can choose the type, be it personal or business. Just provide your full legal name, email, and password, and by clicking the Create Account button, you can just follow the on-screen instructions to move forward, or you can simplify the process by clicking the Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, or Continue with Apple. Now, once you are here, you need to go to your main dashboard, and you have the option for Activity, Messages, and Account. And all you're gonna do is hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on Payment Information. Now, once you have access to the payment section, all you're gonna do is you need to hover down below. And when you finally see the Add a Payment option, because from here you can add a new payment method, connect or add or update a payment method to pay your selling cost, and choose it as your preferred method. Now, all you're gonna do is click on Add a Payment option. Now, once you are here, obviously you can see that my Payeer account is linked to my eBay account. And if you wanted to add more so that you can receive payouts from eBay, all you're gonna do is click on the credit or add debit card, because there's an option for checkout and selling cost. Now click on that and just click on continue. Alright? And all you're gonna do is follow the on-screen instructions. Provide the card number, expiry date, security code, your first and surname, your billing address, and all the information. And once you've done that, all you're gonna do is click on continue. Now, in the event that you cannot add a new payment method or add your link, or you can't link your bank account on eBay, you might want to go here in the help and contact option for customer service. And from here, you might want to see some options right here so that the customer service will be more than glad to help you on setting up and changing your payment method or linking a bank account on eBay. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.